So I'm looking to take this D period long here, right there. So that pulled us into the trade. So I'm looking for a rotation back to the volume area high at least. But obviously we'll look at these different areas. You got the half back here, you got the market profile POC, and then obviously your volume area high. I kind of wish I would have added a contract here when it pulled down like this. You can see how the volume profile is slimming out and then extending down here. So I really like this area in here probably to add another one. I didn't look at that for 1 second and I missed um, I think it made it down to the 73 area here. I wanted to enter another contract. So at this point, VWAP shouldn't really be an issue because we're rotating. So it shouldn't have any reaction here at VWAP. If it does, that'll be a good sign to get out of the trade. Same thing with halfback. If it just fails to make its way up here, uh, that'll be a failure of rotation and a good sign that we're going to go lower actually. I move my first target to here. You can see how the volume profile starts to fade off. So that's where my first target is. Just kind of see how it's moving here. I really wish I would have got another contract in when it pulled back to 73 here, but see how it goes. All right, so that got us in for 2. Your stop would still be the same for the entire trade. You could move down here under C period. Take a look at our targets. So this one would be too close. I'm still looking at that 250. We'll put them there. We'll put them both there just for now. What I'm really looking at is getting this full rotation back to here. And if that's really moving, finally breaking over yesterday's high again and continuing, but we'll just see how that goes. There's a big difference between what you want it to do and what you think it's going to do and what it's actually doing. So I try to stick to what it's doing. I have a plan, but I'm also trying to stick to what the market is actually showing me. Sometimes that's hard. So now, like I said, we're going to be looking to see if we get through this VWAP. It should cut right through there without very much resistance. Otherwise, I might actually cancel the trade and just get out because it's a really good sign we're going to continue lower. So let's watch this for action. Yep. VWAP here. Now I think you could go to break even. If this doesn't work, you don't want to be in it. And then I think our first target, our first target is right here. I think you could easily make a rule or make a case for taking your first one here, halfback, right there. Now let's extend this one up higher. And then let's bring our stop up so we're not giving up too much of this. So that was so close to my first target, and it just kind of made sense. I think these levels are going to take precedence over my 27 ticks because that's just something that I come up with. So, combined with how the volume profile is fading off, we are rotating. Here's another look at that delta chart. You see that they are buying this, so this looks pretty good. Like I said, you just kind of move your stop up here. Where are we at now? 77.25. So we're down in here. That's a good spot to have your stop. As we get closer to the volume area high, I'll move my stop up even tighter. But they are buying it. You can see all this buying happening here. So obviously we made it through the halfback, but can we hold that? Or is it going to fall back on us? Then your next target or place to look at is going to be here. And we have a next target at 84.75. That was just a number that we come up with to get out of the way. So I'm going to move my stop up a little bit on this one. Here's another look at that delta chart. You can see you got VWAP down here. So it's bouncing off the RTH VWAP right now. I have my stop down here under the session VWAP. But again, they really shouldn't be reacting to this. Right now it's reacting to the halfback. So that looks like it's going to take us out. give this just a little more room to see. And there, it took you out